Morning everybody, it's 2023 and I'm back in the studio after many months of having a break, but I'm loving being back. And I wanted to show you how those glazes in the last video came out after the firing. This is kind of what happened because these are the colors I was using. So you can see the forest green there, it's quite a nice one. The white is quite nice and white over the red earthenware body. The medium blues work quite well. The dark blue is okay as well. Here's one which has been bisque fired, so the colors are a little, I applied them a little thicker than the last ones. I've left some of the red earthenware body showing through, and so far it looks really nice. But I am going to glaze the outside of this so that I can get a semi-glossy finish like that one. I expect the colors to be slightly muted, but that's fine. I'll be showing you the final glaze result, which I expect to look kind of like that. So yeah, Happy New Year. A bit late, but it's going very quickly already. Please remember, when cooking with tagines, you have to have a heat diffuser. This is the heat diffuser. Put it over the flame and then you put your pot on top of that. Obviously, you know, the food is inside when you put it on there. I will be sharing a recipe and the whole process of cleaning and preparing the pot in readiness for cooking